Yo, starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 4.5 miles. Thank you.
Can I have you confirm? Sorry. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
I'm pretty sure this is a no tipper. No, this one, oh, this one is the 10-cent tipper. Oh, I should have known. Yep, 10 cents. Total for that one was $4 and change. That's a great start to the day. I'm glad we took that one. Hoping this one's a little better than the last one, which shouldn't be too difficult to do, but you never know. We've got a Starbucks going just about 5 miles. So I'm pretty sure this one is going like down the street. I might just walk there. We'll see.
Thank you.
Thank you. And we made it. A guest or something, but they didn't give me a room number, so I don't know. This is a tiny elevator, like. Okay, did I jinx it or what? Because I'm pretty positive that was like the same total as the previous order. And wasn't this one higher mileage? So this one was actually worse. Oh no. Just got the next order. We've got a Jack in the Box. This one is going 5 miles. Looks like they ordered Mr. Maple Donuts as well. So we're making a stop right after Jack in the Box for that. It's only adding like 0.5 miles to this, so not terrible, and it should give me a pretty decent boost in pay. Thank you. You too. Okay, never mind on what I said earlier, because no tip on either of those. Total for that was $8 and change. Like, what is going on today? This is McDonald's, $9 going about 5 miles.
Ubereats?
Yeah.
I can sit front door for me. Alright, go fast.
Next order up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one is $7 going 2 miles. Thank you. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one's going 2.5 miles. him? Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a great day.
You as well. Total for that order was $5. Next order up, we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one's going 4 miles.
Hi.
There you are.
Sorry. Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Another no tip. Dude, what is going on? Come on. Total for that one was $5. Okay, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $9, going 3 miles, 4 items. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 2 miles. It's been like 20 minutes since that last order, but we finally got the next one. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9, going 4 miles, 2 items. Ooh, next up we've got a Voodoo Donut. This one is $10, going less than a mile.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You too. Okay, that was the best order we've had today, by far. Apparently it's supposed to rain in an hour. Oh, and we did get the 10 likes. I probably should have checked the weather before saying that, but I guess now I gotta rush. Current time is 9:30. Current total is 73, and we've got a few Uber tips that we're waiting on. Not really sure what the total is gonna be, but I'll throw it up once it arrives. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.